Starbond has recently added an exciting line of inlay products to their catalog, and these products can be broken down into two groups: mother of pearl and crushed gemstone. And I have all of these jars turned upside down just so you get a little bit better idea of the colors available. Let's have a quick look at mother of pearl first of all. The mother of pearl is actually crushed abalone in a variety of colors, as you can see. The abalone itself can be further crushed down to finer pieces for different projects, but the iridescence is highly sought after by woodworkers, luthiers, and other craft hobbyists looking to add that iridescent. The gemstone material is in fact crushed gemstones and comes in a variety of colors as well. Some of them are a little bit more iridescent, some of them are a bit more reflective of light. All of these require a little bit more depression to be applied to, and any of these inlay products can be used with a 5-minute epoxy or with a CA glue and an activator. Now, there's a variety of ways that these products can be applied. I'm just mixing up some 5-minute epoxy, and I'm going to put a little bit in each one of these depressions, and we'll be able to get a look and see what these look like. You could also use CA glue for this. And there's just a quick example of some of the results that you can get with different kinds of inlays, the gems, and of course the mother of pearl. And for more information on wood inlays like this, check out the Starbond website at starbond.com.
Thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated and see more content like this. Also, feel free to comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts.